you see me and you tryna see what's up. He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up.
This will be our last time seeing these pretty tea. So exciting, y'all.
She bout to fly me no winds, she bout to take me no winds, nigga can't even see me on winds. She bout to fly nigga winds, she bout to fly me no way out of here. She bout to fly nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash for the dawn, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up when I gas.
Y'all, I am late. I had this bad Uber driver, bro. She was driving so slow. I'm 35 minutes late. Like, I don't even know where to go. Like,
I know this picture is just...
yeah, so I'm in a chair. They just got done taking pictures of my team. And we're about to get started, y'all. Y'all, I cannot talk. My lip. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Your girl is gonna be that girl. Already. Oh my god, girl.
You're gonna have to work with me with this one because I've never done this one before. So tell me if it's uncomfortable. Is it uncomfortable?
No, let me just
You can try.
yeah. Is it accurate?
Is it hurting you?
I think it's backwards.
Like this?
Yeah.
That's better. Do your head a little bit straighter. You might want to check these out. She had to put her own thing on.
So good. She had to put it on herself. Good.
I know. There's some that actually came out pretty good though. That was good. See? You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Do you like that?
Yes. I'm so excited. Like, I'm never gonna stop supporting. Waiting on the Uber is crazy. Oh my god, the thing is ringing. Do y'all see him? It's 1:15, girl. I don't know why this thing ringing. I'm waiting on my rivalry, bitch. Okay, so y'all, it's so hot. I'm really that girl for real, but you know, keep it cute. So y'all, this is gonna be a week vlog. So I'm gonna vlog for y'all all week long, y'all. Well, mama talking to y'all, but y'all can't hear her. I forgot to tell y'all, I'm getting my hair done, so y'all can see. Bald head. But y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I really couldn't talk, so these the braids, they're real tea. But get in the shower, call it a night, cause I'm about to go out. Yeah, I'm about to go out. But get a little close up. Good night, y'all. Y'all, I'm not doing nothing today. I'm gonna go to work. Yeah, that's it. I gotta go to work at 3 to 12 p.m. So whenever I get back, we'll chat and tell y'all how my day was. Other than that, I'm not doing anything. Alright, y'all, I gotta go brush my teeth and get ready for work. I am going to make some more money so I can quit. What's up, YouTube? So today I am going to be going to the dealership today, and I just want to take y'all with me along with this week vlog. That's my sister. He staying?
Yeah.
Say hi, Bookie.
Hi.
All right, let's go. Let's go. What's up, guys? So we made it to a different dealership because the last one, they didn't approve me. So I'm about to get a newer car, a better car. Y'all gonna see it. This process is so long and it's aggravating. I'm tired and I'm hot and it's sprinkling rain.
Coming down?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm following you.
Okay, y'all, so we just leave and say hi.
Hello.
Mr. Carson.
Y'all have a camera? Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all YouTubers?
Yeah. Well, I'm a YouTuber starting.
Starting? That's a vlog. I'm a YouTuber.
You a YouTuber?
6 kids. Don't talk to him.
You got 6
And
kids?
he's only 19. You only has 5. Come on.
5?
No, I'm playing.
You got kids?
20. Where I'm getting kids from?
I don't know.
What's your YouTube channel?
Let me put it in.
You got subscribed to Munch?
Yes.
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
I like Viera.
Gary.
This you?
Yeah.
Y'all look at this too. Yeah. Okay, you lit.
No.
Hey y'all, so I'm at the dealership about to pick up my car, y'all. I'm so excited. So excited. So I'll show y'all the car and give y'all a little tour. Hey. Let me show y'all my car, y'all. It's so cute. Y'all, it's not fucking with me. It is so cute. It's spread in the inside. Y'all, it is cute. I cannot wait. What is on YouTube? It's your girl. What's on YouTube? It's your girl, the real PYV, and your girl is the video. And today, we gotta give you a tour, my friend. So first, we're gonna start with the front. Okay. This is the inside. You see the inside. Real cute, real cute. Real cute, real nice. And okay, take it to the back. back. Sorry guys, my food back there. Sorry guys. Alright, so that's the little tour or whatever, and I got some accessories. It's gonna be a part 2 because I don't know if I got everything I want. So first we're gonna start off by putting the cover on. Of course. This is a little hazard. I'm guessing the car got to be off. Okay guys, we're getting in. God. Y'all, we was almost there. These look cute. Gotta be brushed out or whatnot. Y'all like it? Okay, next we have this is for an armrest, but I don't have that. So next is the ball. That goes right here. Mine don't fit. Next we have a license plate, but I don't have time for that. This is for the push start wheel. It's gonna be a part 2, so it's getting kind of hot in here too. I don't know how none of this works. Okay. I guess it's 2 sticky thingies. There's gonna be a part 2 because I have to get a screwdriver to unscrew the license plate from there, and I also have to get another push start thing. Y'all gonna see it, but stay tuned for part 2.
She say she got a problem, imaginary smoke.